Today is Tuesday. That means it is time for a Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. In today's video, I am going to do another drawer in my room. This time I am moving to the drawer that I keep my leggings and workout pants. I don't think I have much to do in that drawer, which is a good thing because my time is limited today, but I am just going to take everything out, see if I have anything to declutter, wipe everything down inside the drawer, and put it all back. I'd like to thank Melinda from Melinda Plain and Simple for putting today's Tiny Tidy playlist together. Do not forget to check out her channel and today's Tiny Tidy playlist for more tiny tidying motivation. Got tongue-tied there, sorry guys. Anyway, let's get busy. So this is the drawer that I will declutter this week. I keep my yoga pants here, my leggings in the middle, and then I keep like jogger pants right here. So I kind of have it in 3 sections. So I'm just going to take everything out, see if I have anything to declutter, wipe everything down, put it all back.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends.
So as you can tell, I just cleaned everything up. I put everything back in as is. These are all my yoga pants. They all just happen to be black. My leggings and my like joggers and sweatpants. So I'm definitely downsizing a lot. So I can probably combine this drawer with something else in the future. So I found 3 items to declutter. This one I'm so sad about. I love these pants. They have like this pink stripe and I never declutter them and I never wear them, and I can never remember why I do not wear them until a few days ago. I put these on and they are the kind of pants that get static in them, and I do not like clothes that get static. So I'm going to go ahead and let these go, although I do love this pink. So those are going to go find a new home. And then I have this pair of leggings that I am going to declutter. And And then I have this black pair of yoga pants. They are too big and they have like a flared leg, so I thought it was time to let those go. So that's 3 items, and that drawer was not really that full anyway, so I feel good that I am letting these things. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope this video motivated or inspired you in some way. Tell me in the comments what you tidied along with me, and I will see you guys in the next one. Love you. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Lily, do you want to give any decluttering, drawer cleaning advice, organization tips, anything like that? No?
Friends and